When all my other debts are paid, my greatest debt will yet be due. For sacrifices you have made, and cares that I have brought to you. I have been slow to understand the patience and the love and pride with which, for my sake, you have planned your own ambitions put aside. When others have withheld from me the praise that I have longed to hear, you, Father, have been quick to see and glad to speak the word of cheer. With eager efforts you have sought to smooth my paths and make them fair, unselfishly expecting naught in payment for your tender care. I have been slow to learn, but now, with recollections that are sweet, I braid a laurel for your brow and lay my tribute at your feet.